Welcome to 18 Holloway Avenue. We're in what I think is one of the most accessible areas of town, literally striking distance of Bishop's Fox's School, King's College as well. We've got the park just around the corner, but this house, 1930 styles, one of my favourites, has plenty to offer. So come in inside and let's have a look. What worked so well in this lovely house, we've got 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The additional ground floor living space, if you like. So we've got a beautiful kitchen dining area, even room for a little sofa, onto the beautiful gardens, and then a choice of 2 reception rooms. So if you do like a bit of privacy, tuck yourself away, or if you need a playroom, a snug, then it's certainly got it for you. So let's finish with a sun trap of a garden. It's a lovely size, level, a perfect place just to sit out and enjoy the beautiful weather. You really wouldn't know you're close to town. That's the other really lovely thing. King's College backs onto us, which is great. This is when you need to come and see. Do give us a call, 01823 423 500.